Hello everyone. My name is Julius. That's Julius Rance, actually. Um, Jimmy is my twin brother, yes. We dress alike. We're like altruistic, actually. I'm the one with the brains of the family, and Jimmy is the one who got the prepper sense and stuff. But I'm more of the geophysical kind of guy. So I just thought I would come on here and yes, actually, I would like to just say something, but I don't know what to say. I don't have the, what do you call it, the gift of the gab that my brother Jimmy has. But I will be making some appearances on this show if my brother Jimmy will allow me to. I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on, so I better leave, actually. This is Julius. Julius Rance.